Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Dhanokar. Today we will discuss about the muscular system. So what is the muscular system? Muscular system is a complex system or complex networks of muscle that is responsible for the movement, posture, joint and the stability and the production of heat in our body or the human body. So called as a muscular system. And this muscular system consists primarily three types of muscles in our body. That three types of muscle are the skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and the smooth muscle, and each muscle have a distinct characteristic and the function present in our body. Now we see the guys skeletal muscle. What is the skeletal muscle? In this skeletal muscle we see their structure and the function and the example of the skeletal muscle. There is a biceps, quadriceps and hamstrings and the pectorals are the muscles are present in our body called as a skeletal muscle. So the skeletal muscles are the stated, that is the stripe and the multinucleated. They are attached to the bones by the tendons and are under the voluntary control. This is controlled by the movement of voluntary, and the meaning their movement can be consciously controlled. And the function of this muscle is to consist. These muscles are responsible for the voluntary movements such as walking, running, lifting object, and also maintain the posture and the stabilize the joints. The second one muscle are the cardiac muscle. The structure of a cardiac muscles are found only in the heart, so it is also stated but differed from the skeletal muscle in that the cells are branched and interconnected by the intercalated discs which facilitate the synchronized contraction. Or cardiac muscle is responsible for the contraction of a heart or pump out of the heart, and the function of this cardiac muscle is responsible for the pumping out the blood throughout the body, and it operates the involuntary and has an intrinsic rhythmicity and meaning it can contract without external nerve stimulation. So it is also called as the involuntary muscle. And the example of the cardiac muscle present in our heart is a myocardial. It is a heart muscle that are present in the wall of a heart. Third one muscle present in our body, that is the smooth muscle. So the smooth muscle is a non-striated and consists of spindle shaped cell with a single nucleus. So it is found in the wall of an internal organ and the blood vessel. The function of a smooth muscle is responsible for the involuntary movement. So the smooth muscle is also called as the involuntary muscle, and it is responsible for the involuntary movements like the contraction of the digestive tract, that is a peristaltic movement, then contraction and the dilation of a blood vessel, that is a vasoconstriction and the vasodilation, then regulation of airflow in the lungs. For example, muscle in the wall of a stomach, intestine, blood vessel and the bladder. These all about the three muscle present in our heart. Now we see the muscle contraction mechanism. In muscle contraction mechanism, the basic unit of a muscle contraction is the sarcomere, which is composed of actin, that is a thin filament are present in our body, and the myosin, that is a thick filament. When a muscle contract, the myosin filament pull on the actin and the filament, causing them to slide over one another, and which shorten the muscle fiber. And this process is empowered by the energy molecule, that is adenosine triphosphate ATP, and is regulated by the calcium ion. There are two types of main muscle contraction occur in our body. First one is the isomeric and then second one is the isotonic. So in isomeric muscle contraction, the muscle tension increase but there is no change in a muscle length. For example, holding a blank position. Then isotonic, in condition of isotonic, muscles changes the length during the contraction. In this, the length of a muscle increases or decreases. And there are also divided into two types, that is concentric and the eccentric. In case of concentric, the muscle shorten while generating the force, for example lifting a weight, etc. But in case of eccentric, the muscle lighten while generating a force, example lowering a weight. Now we see the types and the function of a muscle. The first one function of a muscle is a movement. So muscle work in a pair to produce the movement. While one muscle contract, that its antagonist, that is opposing muscle, relax. For example, the bicep contract to lift the arm while the tricep relax. Second one function of a muscle in our body, that is a posture. In posture, the skeletal muscle maintain the body posture by continuously contracting to hold the body upright against the gravity. Third one function of a muscular system consists the joint stability. Then muscle around the joint stabilize them during the movement and prevent the injury in our body. And the most important mechanism of a muscle, that is a heat production in our body. Muscle contraction generate the heat which help to maintain the body temperature or the thermogenesis in our body. And the last one function of a muscle or muscular system produce, that is a protection. Muscle can protect the vital organs such as the heart and the lungs by absorbing a shock or impact of a external environment. And lastly, we see the disorder related to the muscular system or muscle. The first one is a muscular dyspathy or muscular dystrophy. In this condition, the group of genetic disorder that causes the muscle weaknesses and the degeneration. In short term, in this muscular dystrophy, there is a weakness of muscles occur. Second one is a myasthenia gravis. It is one of the autoimmune disorder that where the communication between the nerve and the muscle is impaired or leading to the weaknesses occur. And then strain and the sprain is injury and the muscle or the tendons causes the ligament or due to the overstretching or tearing. That's all about the muscular system. Thank you.